we'd like to introduce our new camper. This is a 2022 Keystone Outback 328RL. Just going to give you a super quick tour of it. Starting on the outside here, we've got two 30-pound propane tanks, or maybe it's 30 gallons. I don't know. You tell me. But at any rate, they're the bigger tanks. It's 10,500 pounds. So definitely a 3/4 ton towing vehicle is required, or heavier. And we'll just kind of take a quick walk around the camper here. Got a firebox, and we've also got an inverter, and there are 2 solar panels on the roof as well. Got the Lippert fold down steps. These are much nicer than the steel steps that are not braced on the ground. We've also got 2 awnings. We have them retracted right now, but they're very nice when it's sunny. 50 amp electrical. Docking station for freshwater. Small amount of storage for tall, skinny things. There are 2 gray tanks and 1 black tank. More storage. This is also under the king bed. We also have a tankless hot water heater, which is very nice. This has an auto leveling system, but we were told when we purchased it to rely on the manual mode, particularly when it's very on level. Seems a bit counterintuitive, but we just do it manually. All right, well, we're starting out in the primary area of the camper, and this is why we bought it. We have dual slides in this rear living floor plan. So recliners, out-of-bed couch, TV, electric fireplace, stove, and dual DC refrigerators. And these are DC compressor refrigerators. So they get cold much faster and much colder than a typical RV fridge. We've also got a fair amount of overhead storage here. This is not storage, this is actually the water pump. Over here we do have a small amount of storage in this compartment. And then moving over to the kitchen island. Island is one of the selling features. It just makes it nicer and more home-like. We've got a few drawers here and room for the trash can underneath. We've also got cupboard space and space for dishes.
And a microwave. And a fancy paper towel holder.
So we've got a typical sort of RV control panel here. I like all the buttons, it's very simple. It does have heated holding tanks, which is quite nice. And the controller on the bottom is actually for the tankless water heater. One of the main selling features of this unit for us was the king bed on the east-west slide. It is almost full size, or almost a full king, that one. We've got closet space here, an additional storage space here that is also potentially a small washer dryer. Also comes with a booth dinette. A couple of quirks with this though Oddly, there's no storage underneath.
Correction, there is storage underneath. The seats flip from back to front.
At least not that we figured out. There's also a bit of a safety hazard. These corners down here can bite the back of your legs when you sit down, so be advised.
Here are a closer look at those stats that you really want to see and know for your camper. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and we'll see you on the next one.